just into the new year here, and so we took about a week and a half off or so. So we worked on the 23rd, and we came back this past Monday, and so between the 23rd it was about mid-50s, and then coming in this past Monday we were down to 3 degrees, so a little bit of a temperature swing, but we plowed through it. And so here we've got our new sill in. We've got about 100 feet of new sill, 75 feet, and then it steps up for 25 feet. We've got our new sill in, the building's set down, level. We've got some new girts, some new posts. We've got some old posts we were able to reuse in their original spots. And this whole side of the building is now down and done, and we'll probably sheathe it next week, and now we're shifting over to the other side where we're putting sills in over there. All right, we're over here on the front side of the barn where we've lifted up most of the 75-foot length here, and these guys are getting ready to finish installing a short sill here, connecting these 3 bays, and just getting the last little bit into place. And then over at the other doorway, we've got 4 different bents, 4 different posts all lifted up in the air, and doing some repairs there, getting ready to slide a new sill in there as well. And we'll set this whole side of the building down, and hopefully by midweek next week, weather depending, we'll get into stripping this side of the roof and get ready to put plywood on over here as well.